Good morning, disciples. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everything is fine, good, enough. We'll see what is happening. I don't think so. Market will tend to break this though. Yeah, 4,000 below 200. It is a bearish one. Weekly, if I see, this is the best liquidity zone availability. No. We have the two back-to-back big news are there. Just okay, this is the overall weekly scenario. This is the weekly scenario. Actually, two things can happen here. This is one good support. Why this is the good support is, in the sense, market before taking a one good move, market has been consolidated lot of time here. Lot of consolidation in the sense is it's a key levels. Okay, always remember this. Whenever market consolidate in one direction, it is a key level zones. It is an key level zones. Key level zones are more importantly, it will work and act as a support and resistance. Okay, always earlier support it can be a resistance, and earlier resistance can be a support. This is chances are more higher. Okay, this we can keep it as a supply or the demand. We can keep it as a flip zone, because from here market has been rejected, then again back to broken out, then again fall, again breakout, again liquidity sweep has been happened, then consolidation, then it has been moved. So this zone act as a if opportunities give this means consolidation, then fall, then consolidation, then same zone, then like this chance can be happen, but when and by which time, no one knows this. We should be very careful on this, because until your clarity about what market is going to happen, what market is going to do, no one knows. As a scalper, it's very good that you should always focus on the both the sides in the sense, in the zone. If example, this is the zone, this is the resistance zone, and this is a supply zone, just example, demand zone. Whenever market comes, it reacts, or it's giving a confirmation of bullish confirmation, means we can choose it for a buy side. Now market is giving a rejection from that zone, it's giving a strong confirmation of candle. Three area candles we always follow. One is a liquidity sweep come bullish engulfing. Another one is hammer candle, another one is morning star for a buy. Same reverse for a selling. What all those? That is sorry. That is one is bearish engulfing, another one is bearish inverted hammer, last one is a evening star. So this is all combination. What it will do is market, it will say that okay, market is ready to give a opportunity and the sizes. Okay. So overall it is making a consolidation zone. If market wants to break it, it will definitely try to break it out. As per the day confirmation, if you see, it has broken down in the recent low. Okay, day's low, it has been broken down day before yesterday's and this. You can remove all those things. This is the low, it has broken out. Let's see, market is closed in 4-hour time frame. If market closes here somewhere itself, down itself means you should see for a selling only. Selling, that 2-3-4 hurdles are there. One is this, and second one is this, and third one is this one. Zones will definitely act as a better choice for us. Always choose for to give the better for you. Okay, don't focus on making profits. First, learn the skill set. Skill sets can make you rich. Then automatically money will follow you. Skill set is the most important thing in the trade. Comparative to how many trades you have taken, which lot size you have taken, that is not important. Even yesterday, which I show you, wait, this trade 1.5 lot sell, which I have taken around July 10. Okay, July 10, it was around Friday. Okay, 9:27 p.m. I have taken. Then I closed this yesterday only. Commission is there. Okay, you leave it that. Today morning only I closed. So what is this? It is around 5,411. And yesterday Sunday, what I did is in Bitcoin I have taken 10 lot sales. Okay, this is also around 128. Then I closed it around night 10:06. Okay, around 2,500. So sometimes what happens is, if you are good enough in the key levels, if you are focusing on the key levels, means it definitely with a small stop losses you can enter it down. Even 0.1 lot size for a $8,000 in the sense $100 is good enough for a Indian currency, for Indian people. Even a 10 pips you can do it. You can, if you are able to achieve it, means it's a very good enough. Okay, so we'll directly come to the points. I think this zone, it will come directly to again to this zone. Chances are more higher because market will never allow this kind of a gap. Either it will tend to come it down, either it will come to this. And we will avoid the trades of immediate tradings. Okay, immediate trading, and the most importantly back to back internal trading and immediately entering in the 1 minute, we'll avoid that because if we take a quality trade also, we should take a smaller ones, not a bigger sizes. Okay, we should be very clear on it. Just I am working on one indicator. Just I am back testing it. Once it has been very clear and very confident, means definitely I'll let you know, guys. It is working better. As of now, it's working better. But overall scenario, yet I have not used much more this one. We'll see what is going to happen. If it's worked better, means definitely I'll let you know to all the guys. Yeah, capital also we started with the 10k. Just one not one, it was the overall, it was there. Just I withdraw 9,000 something to I transfer to my trust wallet. So what I'll do is always we'll start with the 10k of this account. Even we'll start with the 1k also, because if subscribers has been if we have a too much good support from our beloved subscriber, means definitely we'll do that. Okay, we'll do that. From small capital to we'll grow with the bigger one. So in this trading journey, what you are going to learn is, one is the price action. Most importantly, we will focus here as price action. EMA, that is one is 7, another one is 15. Actually volume candle, it's a overall 30 average. Okay, this is the yeah, that is the reality, and that is what I am using. We'll focus on liquidity sweep and supply and demand. Okay, whatever the strategy we follow majority time is, yeah, this is what we'll follow it out, because market structure works better in everything, same as EMA. And another one is, first one is the price action, another one market structure and EMA, and another one is a volume, fourth one, and fifth one supply and demand, the key levels, and the fifth one is liquidity sweeps. Okay, majority liquidity sweep, it will work, definitely it will work in a better manner, in a better way also. Even that day, just on Friday, I think, see the selling interest, I was damn sure that market is going to sweep this liquidity, because what was I was expecting is, see, this was the most important, because the market has been predicted like anything, because this supply definitely market will take it up. Okay, this new entries definitely market will take it up. This is what now also it's happened. If you see very clearly, he has taken this low. See, okay, this is how market will tend to move and tend to break down. Okay, this is what I was expecting. Market will break it down. So if we get an opportunity, definitely we'll enter. Same entry, SL it. Same entry, SL it. Same entry, SL it. Same entry, SL it. But reality, what happened, after this, around exactly 8 p.m. New York sessions, market has swept all this liquidity. If I would have not entered, in the sense, if would have see, if I would have not been in live session, means I would have taken at least 50% of this. Yes, because how we would have taken is, maybe this would have been SL, and this also would have been XL. And if I would have entered here, means I would have kept a stop losses like, because this is the supply zone. This is the supply zone. I would have kept here stop loss here somewhere here. Like this only I would have kept it. So I would have got 1:2. Like this only I would have entered, because what happens is, in a 1 minute time frame, majority 50 pips is good enough. That too, if you're going for a 5 minutes, means not more than 80 or below 100 value. That is 100 points. You can take it up as the points, either you can take it up as the pips. Anything is possible. See, this is the 80 pips is there. You can consider as a 80 point is there, means you can consider like this. Okay, that is what is happening overall. We'll just remove this and focus on what is going to happen today. And to my disciples, what I'm saying is, Don't focus on money, focus on the knowledge, focus on the skill set. Skill set is most important for us, for everybody, because if the skill set has been very good enough, definitely you are going to rock like anything. If the skill set is not good enough, means definitely if you have more than a capital also, you will wipe out, you will be losing, you will not do anything. So skill set you can learn from 0.1 lot also. It doesn't mean that you should go for a bigger lot sizes. Not like that. Okay. Always choose a smaller lot size, smaller things, smaller visions, so that you can achieve more and more. See, this channel is purely focused on trades, knowledge, and skill set. And moreover, not about the money, moreover, not about the trades, what I'm taking. I don't want to promote anything. The point is, if possibility is there, at least I can make some of the good traders in India, in the worldwide, if influence is being there. Slow and steady growing is more than anything, guys. Okay, this is all about what we trade, and how we trade. We'll focus on only two things. One is a commodity futures, another one is crypto. Even you can do a silver also, that is also good. Even you can do a oil also, that's also good. But the thing is, more volatility you can see in the gold. So that is the one reason just I'm doing the gold. And even I have a more love towards the gold. That is the one more thing. Okay. As of now, market is in selling side, in a bearish momentum. Welcome, the princess. Welcome. We may get one good scalp over here. Just we'll see. Pips is there, that's straight. I thought to enter here, but here. This will be a good entry. Like this will be the good entry. So this would be the good entry, but stop losses can be 41 pips. Below this sweep, we can keep the stop losses. If its sweep is happening, we should consider that as a loss. Just a scalp, that's it. Because next one strong candle, if it closes very stronger, means next another candle also it may fall it down immediately. But overall, there is a consolidation. They may take some time. Because today is a Monday morning, there will be no that much fast momentum can happen. It's slow and steady. Good morning, Rocky. Good morning. Just now I saw your message. Good morning, Rocky. SL is below this one, 40, 50%. overall if we see, there is a selling pressure is there in the market. Selling is there. But if the selling was there, means market would have gone from this zone itself. Struggling here. Okay, struggling means in the sense market is try to see, SL is this. This is it's fixed. Okay, there is no return on that. Selling pressure is there. Yes, we have taken trade against the trend, not even the trend, against the trend. So it can be risky also. Okay, but overall, already market has fallen from this zone. From this rejection, if market was strong enough, means it should have fallen from that zone itself. Taking a consolidation means it said market is not that strong enough to fall down. Chances are there, yes, maybe chances are there, because we have taken the wrong side entry. We have not taken the right side entry, we have taken the wrong side entry. Just with the proper stop loss, that's okay. Without a risk, we cannot able to win the match. This zone can be a last hit. If market closes below this, then conviction will be very low for this trade. No, actually, this became some mistake. Actually, what happened is the pending order, it has become a real order. So that is a one nonsense has happened. You can consider this as a situation. I want to close it down, but it's already running. Okay, let it go. I hope everybody are good and happy and everything fine. I think so. RB Princess, maybe Rocky, everybody. Slow and steady towards our goal. No need to impress anybody. No need to buy expensive things. No need to buy focus on any nonsense. Focus on only on a skill set. Focus on how its market works. Whatever the knowledge you are getting through from social media or anybody, anything, let it be anything. Okay, and always use the stop losses on the system, not on the mindset or not on the something else. If this closes very strong amounts, then we have failed at this. Yeah, from morning it is the fall has happened, so maybe some recovery market should need it. Yeah, sellers are active only now. Also the sellers are there. Overall, if you see 4 hours time frame, it is running. Market is 10 to closed. Just now it is open in a 4 hours time. Now only this candle has been open. Maybe liquidity sweep can open. This is the stop losses availability is there. Market is running, let it run. Because if market wants to follow down, at least market will give the wick and then fall. This is a confirmation, but market has not given the wick. It is directly, it is falling down. It can be not that much greater for sellers. And always I'll tell to my disciples is always focus on skill set, not on the trades. Okay, trades is most important than the capital. If you're taking and seeing my trades, okay, masters, it's running around $300. Okay, I also want to take a 5 lots. Don't do that. Maybe trade can be similar to everybody, even in the worldwide. If anyone XNS doing, they are doing XNS means same chart and same candle formation will be there for everybody. Okay, that is the similarity will be there for everyone. That doesn't mean that everyone are same. Okay, that is most important. Taking the rejections, this candle little bit confidence level broke it. And it can sweep and also it can keep it up. Chances are there. Low. Keep little bit here also. How many pips it's going to? 46 pips. Yeah, 46 pips is there. To 300, yeah. No, before keeping only it has gone. No, I am interested in buying it. This zone I was more interested. We got SLs here. Actually, this is the continuation, you can say. Closes also very stronger. It is doing the closes in 1 minute time frame, but overall, if you see, one thing. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 stop loss because here I entered 3 trades. and here one more trade it has been got stop loss hit. So one reason. No, no. If let it break this, then if it's coming any, if we get any pullback, no, we'll enter two lots. See, two things in always in our hand. One is a stop loss, another one is a break even. Stop losses we should focus until the first nearby recent high or recent low should be break it out. That time we can shift our stop losses to the break even. Okay, this two is in our hand, but the TPs and target levels can be in other hands only. See, market we can see in this zone here. This zone we can see it down. So that is the one reason I entered it. This, what is the pips of this is 46 pips. Okay, and this is, now we can do it in a break even. Here here it is. Below somewhere here meant will be great. Over one, I see. Not able to put the tomato. The 2.5 lot size I've entered here. About this, actually I was interested from this zone. This zone would have been a greater choice for me because this 3 candle, this would have been better choice. The sellers are good only. This would have been a great choice because this zone could not able to hold this sellers means then again it will fall off. Stop loss is below this. Yeah, just I've entered here another 2-3 lots, but overall, yes, this can be a last. This is failed here. We'll see what is going to happen. Yeah, from here only market has been reverse means it has been more convincing for this trade and at least this. Now also chances are there, but not sure that exactly market will go give the immediate momentum. It may make a sideway slowly, then it may give us the profits like that. See, it's a Monday. We should be very careful about it. If the losses market may give the stop losses also, we should ready to accept it. As of my trades, I have taken the risk. The smaller part is this is the proper trades. Okay, this is the 0.5 lots I have taken. This is the just market was tend to respect this one. Okay, this candle it is respecting. Maybe chances yes, 100% sure that market if reverse also it may sweep our liquidity. Okay, but damn sure that market we should respect here because already it's in a consolidation. Already liquidity sweep is happened. This can give us a more chance towards at least a 1:2. We may get it. That is the one reason I have entered it. Overall, if you see in a 1 minute, 1 hour time frame, it is almost in a consolidation zone. That is the one thing. See, same trade if it's in a New York time period, no market will not give this candle. It would immediately withdraw back. If this is the same as the Asian session around early morning in Tokyo sessions in early morning, as I'm saying, means it would have given a slow momentum. This is how market works. Okay, like this. From year to year itself, it will take so much of time. Same thing now also. It's at least I am expecting the first TP. Get your stop losses to at least this zone. Be in a safer side. If market breaks this zone, then you will lose the stop loss. At least we should close our trade at least in a profit. We have a good space till this zone. We have a good space. The market may respect till this zone, but we have a good space up to this zone, around 475 till there. Rejection from this zone, back to back rejecting from this zone. Market wants to go up, at least it should break this high. That too with a stronger candle, not with a low volume. Yeah, stop loss is already fixed. If I lose around $400, I lose. Okay. Guys, it has taken my stop losses. Yes, it has taken my stop losses. So we'll do one thing. As of now, let it run. But overall, as of now also, there is a no selling is there. There is opportunity at least for a buying one. Okay, let it break out this zone. If this zone is breaking out, we can easily find the one more trade. It's in a break even only. We'll consider this as a take even. There is a no loss. See, if I was feeling very little bit of nervous, or if I feeling okay, I should book the profit, means I would have booked here. Okay, in this zone around $1,100, it was a profit, it was sure. If I do like this, no, I cannot able to handle the trades like this. I cannot able to achieve around from 10k to 200. Whenever we keep the stop losses, it's a fixed mindset. That's okay. If market reverse also, we'll agree that yeah, stop losses is gone. That kind of a mindset if you have only, you can win the trades, you can achieve something in the trade. If you are not enough confidence on the trade what you are taking, even if you are feeling very sad for little bit of profit also, if market going in this side, if it's a little bit reverse also it's happening, you are feeling sad for it, means then you are not fit for trade. Okay, definitely we'll get opportunity. There is a no selling as of now, there is a no selling pressure. Maybe 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame about to close. Okay, if it's closing in a stronger manner, then we may get a chance. 1 hour time frame. Where is the next liquidity? Next liquidity is here only. Already respected here. Okay, this fair value gap also market already respected here. In this candle itself, it's already respected. Exactly, it's 4052. Okay, just I'll show it here. See, 4052 market is already respected here. So market if wants to close like this, then it's not a good candle. Already you can see market has not given any big over because market may tend to close above one. So the next candle, at least it come and it may close it above. So why are you worrying? Okay, you may get a next opportunity. You may get till here also. Okay, till this zone you may get an opportunity. Because this is all new buyers, no? Early buyers, market will always throw them out first. Yes, you can say that, master, so you should have waited, no master, then why are you enter? Opportunities when you are getting with a proper risk reward management, we can enter without any fear. Okay, without any fear. We'll see. Remove this. Okay. If anything breakout is happening about this, we'll tend to enter one more. See, this is all now, as of now, this is a inside candle only formation. The bullish candle, inside only the formation is happening. Okay, if market wants to sweep, it should break this low. If this low is breakout means, then it will become a bearish. Okay, if market wants to go down, it would have given a sweep over here. In this candle itself, market would have given a sweep. It is not going to be fall down. Chances are very less. I'm not saying market will not fall. Chances are very less as per the candle formation happened. The previous candle formation happening, it's very low. That's it. See, this is a recent flow breakout. Recent flow breakout also, it's a big rejection is there because the buyers are interested in buying in this zone around 452. Yeah, 452, 450 zone. They are interested. They are showing some interest. I started around 11 change, I think so. 11,157 or something. Pick it up. okay, 1800 something. 1000 itself a 10%. Not good for a scalping. Yeah, I can able to manage it. So that's the one thing. See, if this closes very stronger, no, then market will definitely go upside towards that. A small stop loss will enter. In one entry. How many pips? 22 pips. That's okay. Yeah. It can be a trap also. It can be a trap also. Don't enter now, as of now, because this candle most not that great. Yeah, whenever we keep the break even, that time market will take off. But overall, if you see, I'm not in a profit, I am in a loss only. Yeah, if even in the break even also, I have not booked the profit. Here also, or something, no, I have not booked it. Sideways can be there. Yeah, majority time what happens is, in a sideways only we'll lose all the things. So that is, we should always keep in our minds. Now it's in a break even. See, market is so convincing towards here itself, means market will tend to break in this candle itself. Then again it will not give a this kind of a candle. If this kind of a candle is giving, means you can understand, see, back to back it's respecting each candle. Okay, you can see it down. So that kind of a momentum you should be very careful with. If you get opportunity here, one more entry also. Always add the new entries in winning trades, not in the losing trade. Okay. More small quantity, add it. Small quantity is there. Just added another 50, 0.5 lakhs. Weak means it's a weak, not that great. Comparative to not that great, but okay. See, if market reverse from this zone, I have this profit, right? What is the running profit is there? I lose that one. Okay, I'll not lose the trade. I lose that profit. That's it. Like that one you should focus on. And moreover, if you're entering with a one lot size, means go with a small quantity of 0.20. So if it's more convincing for your trade, means at least you can add another 120, in the sense 0.20 lot size. Then again another 20 in a convincing of EMS. Okay, whenever market respect the EMS, you can just add the another 20 like this. So if market reverse also, wherever you have made a profit, no, at least you will be in a profit. Okay, like that, if you aim it down, definitely it will work it out in very well manner. Good. This market is given for a third trade. TP hit, guys. TP hit. So do one thing. If you are entered in the trade, at least book some partial. If you are not entered into the trade, that's okay. If already you want to book, means also you book it out. That's not an issue. This is marvelous. Awesome. Done, guys. Done for the day. Done for the day. See, if I was not in the online, if I was not doing the online, means in the sense live streaming, means I would have entered here 3 lots directly. Because why? Because the consolidation liquidity will be available on this zone. If this zone triggers, no, the sellers who have entered in here, this these people would be getting panic. They would have kept a stop losses above year and year. So it will trigger immediately. That is the one reason I told it down. It's more convincing, not a sell. It's a buy. Maybe my trade would have been losses. Okay, yes, loss, break even. Again, one more entry, loss. Yes. But overall, if you ask me, it's a buy side one. I made it as a clear that I am interested in buy one, not in the sell. This is how market works, guys. This is how market. Even small stop losses, if you do small quantity, whenever you are going for a bigger quantity, means use smaller quantity. That time what happens is at least market will tend to give you the profit. That time if you are getting the profit, so slowly you can reduce your profit. Okay. How much did you booked? Any profit booking has happened? $20, thanks. Welcome. It's your hard work and sticking on to the trades. Happy princess. Welcome. Just mine, it's running. Let it run. Not closed yet. Yeah, I have not closed it. I'm expecting at least market will go here somewhere on this zone. Chances are higher. If any candle closes below this EMA, then I'll be out of the trade. Okay, do that. Where it has gone, came to same zone. Are available on that. See, it can be a chances. If you are not book the profit, you can book it down. I think so. People have booked it out. Regular followers, they have booked it out. I have not booked it out. I should book the profit now because there can be a selling pressure. Can be. So we'll do one thing. At least market is respecting this one. Okay, we'll see and we'll enter. I was expecting market to take this one. It's a huge rejection. It's a huge rejection. These are there, at least market will fall. No, I have not yet not closed the trade. Sellers are interested. In the break even it goes, I lose. Around $3,000. $3,000. The thing is, I have not booked the profits. That's the one thing. Not booked it. We may get an opportunity from sell from get an opportunity. Then this is the good opportunity. But this is good because this liquidity is there. This zone can be a good entry. So new entry it has swept it out. This also swept it out. Maybe chances of buying also is there. Small scalp. We have till this zone. How many pips? No, if we get a one single entry, we can do that. Just it can be a scalp. It can be anything. It can be anything. And it can reverse also. Just close that. 22 pitches. See, both the sides liquidity has been filtered out. Now, as of now, this can be a recent high and recent low. So one reason just I added it. Now this is acting as a recent high and recent low. It can be a sideways also. It can be a just a scalp, pure scalp. No, it can remain sideways also, more higher. Okay, this zone could have been good for selling because comparative to this entries are there. Okay. Just will cut off this trade. No, now it has become a sideways, but this can be a leads to a wrong entry also. Guys, don't go for a buy until this breakout is happening. Okay, do one thing, we'll keep it this much for today. Scalping can do it down. At least we have this good zones. Scalping can be done, but it can remain in a sideways also. Chances are more there, okay, because tomorrow news are there. Already we got good rates. So again, don't want to fall for a wrong reasons. Okay. Just if you want to do the scalp, do one good sell side scalp. Okay. In this zone, avoid the trades. Okay, because the same zone we had structured up. Again and again entering, disclosing the wrong entries, it may give a wrong impression. Or else if we get an opportunity, we'll do it up. Wait for it. Okay? Market already given the fall. You may get one small step. For this, how many pips are 34 pips? We use less quantity, 0.50. Yes, done. See, it can be a scalp. So do one thing, at least make a risk free. Hey, actually, I don't know. I'll book the profit here. And no, actually, TP, if I'm keeping, it is coming as a listen. Sell it. Hmm. 1:1 has got. TP. I'm not convinced for a selling, guys. The one reason I booked it up. Okay. See. Avoid the trades. Keep safe. If you are looking for any good entry, also you can do it now. Okay. As of now, close the day. Yeah, I am. Yeah, it's in a loss only, but overall we'll see down. If I get an opportunity, I do it. Okay. Wait for the good zone. I think market may come and we can see somewhere here only. This is all just a panic momentum. Just we can see the market over somewhere. Okay. Tomorrow, my chances are that. Today we can see the market in this zone. So only I told, go for a buy side opportunity. To get an opportunity for a buy side means see for a buy entry. As of now, this high and this low is acting as a support and resistance. Okay guys, we'll keep this much for today. I mean, in the morning sessions, we'll see in the New York sessions. At least we may get an opportunity. Means we'll definitely do that. See you soon. Thanks for watching it, guys. If you're watching for the first time, please do hit the like button. Don't forget to do that. Hit the like button and and keep me posted. Okay. In the telegram, in the description, telegram channel link is there, and even follow the Insta also, so that whatever the news update, whatever market is saying and whatever is happening in the market, just if you be in a tips, you will get it. So see you soon. Love you lot. Have a great and lazy Monday. Thank you.